Chestnut Ridge, a Beverly Homes community, and we're standing in the Sulivan model. This particular floor plan, a lot of people that I know personally have this floor plan and love it. I wanted to come and show you a couple of the high points. Thought it was a good home to see. So here we go. Really very spacious bedroom, master bath, and closet. Is actually one of the larger ones I see on these size houses. And this is a natural gas community, and you see the gas range. Everything you pretty much see here is standard except for the refrigerator that has to be purchased separate. This particular model does come with a covered porch you can see in the distance, and a bonus room with a bathroom and closet. Let's take a quick tour of the community. So this neighborhood has large home sites. They're going to have about 132 total. And they're going to be building 3, 4, and 5 bedroom floor plans. And again, this is natural gas. I think this will be a very good looking neighborhood when it's done. Gonna have trees in the front yards, ponds with fountains, got green spaces throughout the community. It's gonna have a really nice look. Okay, so heading back out of the neighborhood towards Highway 90, where the entrance and exit will be, you'll have your cluster mailboxes on the right, and then your amenity center will be on your left with a pool, cabana, and a park area.